Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I discuss about physical science test about heat chapter. First bit, heat is the form of dash. So the heat is the form of dash. The answer is energy. Second bit, dash and the heat to describe the hot and cold. You know, temperature and heat to describe the hot and cold. The state of dash denotes a state of body where it neither receives nor gives out heat energy. Answer is thermal equilibrium. Fourth bit, dash is the energy that flows from a hotter body to colder body. That is heat. It is the energy that flows from a hotter body to a cold body. The SI unit of heat is dash and CGS unit is dash. So the SI unit of heat is joule and the CGS unit is calorie. The amount of heat required to increase the temperature of 1 gram of water by 10 degrees Celsius is called a calorie. 1 calorie equal dash joules. 1 calorie equal to 4.186 joules. The SI unit of temperature is dash. It can also be expressed as degree. So the SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. It can also be expressed as degree Celsius. Ninth bit, 0 degrees Celsius equal to dash Kelvin. You know, so 0 degrees Celsius equal to 273 Kelvin. The temperature in Kelvin equal to 273 plus temperature in degree Celsius. The temperature measured in Kelvin scale is called absolute temperature. The bodies possesses dash when they are in motion. The bodies possesses kinetic energy when they are in motion. We know the rise of temperature depends on the nature of the dash. We know the rise of temperature depends on the nature of the material. The average kinetic energy of the molecule is directly proportional to the dash temperature, directly proportional to the absolute temperature. 15th bit, the temperature is quantity that denotes which body is hotter and which is colder. The specific heat of a substance is equal to dash joule for kg Kelvin. The answer is Q by m delta T. 17th bit, specific heat gives us an idea of the degree of dash of substance to change its temperature. The answer is reluctance. 18th bit, CGS unit of specific heat is calorie per gram degree Celsius and SI unit of it is dash. The answer is joule per kg Kelvin. 19th bit, 1 calorie per gram degrees Celsius equal to 1 kilocalorie per kg Kelvin, that equal to dash joule per kg Kelvin, that equal to 4.2 into 10 cube. 20th bit, the ocean behaves like heat dash of the earth. So answer is storehouses. The ocean behaves like heat storehouses of the earth. 21, oceans can absorb large amounts of heat on the equator without much rise in temperature due to dash. The answer is high specific heat capacity of water. 22nd, water has greater dash heat value. The answer is specific heat value. 23rd, net heat lost equal to net heat gain This is known as principle of method of mixes. 24th, the process of escaping of molecules from the surface of liquid at any temperature is called evaporation. Dash is a surface phenomenon. Dash is a surface phenomenon. The answer is evaporation.
మీకు ఈ వీడియో నచ్చినట్టయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. రెగ్యులర్ నోటిఫికేషన్స్ కోసం బెల్ బటన్ని ప్రెస్ చేయండి.